sound right, and you know damn well. Hold on, I just got off work. I got a blunt and some little piece of drink left. You know, it's enough to fill up my cup, right? But anyways, y'all already know. Hell, forget where they say it is legal. You just gotta figure out. Okay, this state has this, and this going on. Hell, y'all either coming to Missouri, Arizona, or you starting up a business in California if you already got your money. If you ain't got your money, don't even try to touch Cali because Cali ain't fucking with you. I'ma just let you know. Hell, it's like that for real. Yeah, you gotta be ready to move.
Or in being a Schedule 1 substance in, for example, Indiana, but then across the border in Illinois, being an unscheduled substance. The States Act 2.0 effectively says, chill, focus on something else, which always works when you tell someone to do that. The Attorney General would then have 180 days to make this official, descheduling compliant weed so it's not a controlled substance. But there are guardrails. No selling to anyone under 21, no hiring kids under 18 for cannabis jobs, and you better follow the state rules or you're back in trouble. It also protects tribes, letting them regulate marijuana on their lands if they're in a legal state, which is a nod to their sovereignty. And next, it tackles interstate commerce. Right now, cannabis can't cross state lines legally. Can't even exist legally, at least federally, which is a headache for businesses like mine. The bill says that no state or tribe can block weed shipments if both the starting and the ending states are legal, just like the hemp laws. However, states can still set time, place, and manner rules, like keeping dispensaries.
Now, see, that sounds good. So, whenever you're getting ready to, send that shipment where it's going, you plot out the manifest and know that, hey, it's starting off in Missouri, a legal state, and it's on its way to Arizona, a legal state. So any illegal states it touches, it's not even going to be available for people in those states. It's just traveling. Sorry, it's called free airspace. You see what I'm saying? The United States government is in control of that airspace, and they said I can send this package in the mail because that's exactly what the hell we gonna do. We gonna send it in the mail, Craig. Anyways, but yeah, yeah. It's right there in the manifest. So when you got that fucking box truck full of fucking 150 plants that you order from Popcorn, because he got about 1,000 plants in his green room, and the only thing they do is they sit there and veg. So whenever somebody needs some plants, he goes and checks the tags. Yeah, I don't see. I'm over here with my clipboard. I'm making sure the numbers is straight because my memory be bad with numbers sometimes. So I'll be like 1004001, and then it's got a dash, whatever the strain name or the strain acronyms are for it in the system, and then I'll be like, okay, I got 10 of these plants. Okay, your 10 are going. Yeah, we gonna throw them in the box truck and take them through Kansas to this other legal state. But it's on our manifest. It says we are from Missouri, licensed in Missouri. Here's a Missouri license. Bim, 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 boom. Here's the person I am supplying, aka a vendor, in said state where it is legal. And here's their copies of their paperwork to be what's the word I'm looking for? Accompanying the packages. Okay, so you got my information from where it came from. You got the information where it's going to legal states. Leave that shit the fuck alone, officer. I don't want to hear shit if it is illegal in your state. Well, nah, I got to drive through here, sir. It's a straight route, and I got it in my manifest. It tells you that there are legally approved hemp products in the car. TFU. Shut the fuck up. You see what I'm saying? Shit immediately. And look at the police all type of funny. Like, of course I pulled over. You thought you was finna get y'all a lick? Not off of me. Hit the play button. Said roll up. All right. Yeah, keep it rolling.
Away from schools, but they can't play border patrol. This could open up a national market, making legal weed cheaper and cutting into the illicit market, which, fun fact, is still 75% of marijuana sales. at least according to what the state's